Welcome back everyone to another tutorial from Tech for Gamers. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can optimize the graphic settings on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide on your device. And once you are taken into the homepage, if you wish to optimize the graphic settings, click on the settings option from the homepage right away. Now within this page, you will see the video option. Go ahead and click on it, and you can now choose your window mode as well as resolution. You can set the motion blur level by increasing the slider. By default, it is turned off and set to 0. Now underneath you will see the advanced graphics, where you can enable VSync if you wish. If you notice any screen tears, then you must set this to on. Now there are various anti-aliasing methods, and by default it might be turned off. The frame generation will also be turned off by default. On the frame rate limit, make sure the highest value is selected, or set it to the refresh rate of your display unit. You can also put it to unlimited. Now underneath within the graphic quality, you can click on the auto set option to use the recommended settings for your device. But before doing this, use the quality preset slider. You can have various different values, ranging all the way from low, medium, high and epic. If your device supports it, set it to epic at first, which will set the highest possible value for everything else. Then just apply your change and see how these settings perform within your game. If you notice any performance issues, then you can come back to this page and try reducing the preset by one step. By following this process, you can find the optimal balance of performance and quality for your game. Now you can also use frame generation to reduce the load on your device. You have the XEFC as well as FSR and the DLSS options. Try using each of these to find the best settings for your device. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to optimize the graphic settings on the SpongeBob SquarePants Titans of the Tide game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I will see you again in the next one.